Ladies, are you ready to talk about the next thing in the kit? Let's start with a blending brush. You apply eyeshadows with it. Like this. The next thing in the kit is this quad pouch. Ooh la la! And lastly for today is this perfect eyeliner. Make sure that the color perfect is the color black. Now I have to have some fun! Let me show you how to apply this stuff. I'm going to apply these eyeshadows with my blending brush. And I'm going to use this color. Now I'm going to do the rest of the colors. See? And lastly, I gotta show you how to use this eyeliner. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this eyeliner, but I'm gonna try. You apply like this. I'm pretty sure I did that wrong. I think this is how you're supposed to do it. See, I did it. Like I said, it's perfect. Get your kit because it's all in your kit.